Hi kids, we can continue. What did we stop? Yes, Mohan slipped and his leg hit against the railing. Oh, my leg, my leg, Mohan cried out in pain. Come on, get up, Mohan said Anwar. I can hear footsteps. That man is coming down. Mohan cried with pain. Anwar said he can hear the footsteps of the man coming. Footsteps means the sound a person's feet make when walking. Then he told Mohan to get up. You run, said Mohan, crying in pain. I can't move. Mohan, crying in pain, then told to them, you run. Mohan was not able to move. We aren't leaving you, said Tina, but she felt scared. Tina was scared, but she said they are not going to leave him. She looked up at the man in fear. He stood shaking his head as he muttered. A man came and he was shaking his head with anger. Children, muttered means spoke in a low, angry voice. You naughty children, running down the stairs like this, you could have hurt yourselves very badly. The man advised them not to play like this on the staircase. It may hurt them badly. Then the man bent over Mohan and looked at his leg. It's all right, he said gently. Nothing serious, just a cut. Come with me. I will bandage it. The man saw Mohan's injury and said he will bandage him. The children followed the man to his flat. Come in, children, he said. I am John. The name of the man was John. The children went to the man's flat. We are very sorry, sir, the three children said together. Children understand their mistakes and said sorry to man. Well, now you know you were doing something wrong, said John. He started bandaging Mohan's leg. Man said it is good to know that they understand their mistake. Then he started bandaging Mohan's leg. There's no place for us to play, John uncle, Tina said. And Tina said sadly that they don't have any place to play. John patted her cheek. John touched lightly in a friendly way her cheek. I have an idea. Since I live alone, I have an extra room. You can form a kids club in it. Then all of you can meet here and play games or color. The man understood them and consoled them. The man said he is living alone and he has an extra room. They can meet together and play the games in that room and can form a kids club in it. When you want to play in the sun, you can go to the terrace. I will come and watch you all then. No mischief, he said with a smile. If they want to play in the sun, then they can go to the terrace. The man said he will keep an eye on them. Children, do you understand the story? What is the moral of the story? We should not do things that may harm us. Children, nobody is perfect. We all are human beings. We will be doing mistakes unknowingly, but we should have a mind to understand it is wrong and not to repeat it next time. Okay. Children, I hope all of you understood the story. We will see in the next class. Thank you.